Hello friends, today we are going to see how to blow a balloon using chemistry. Let's see the apparatus. A transparent bottle, vinegar, a balloon, tiny spoon, baking soda and an empty container. First, we will pour some vinegar in the transparent bottle. Now, we will take the empty container and put the balloon inside it accordingly and fill the baking soda in it using a spoon. Here I have used a tiny spoon. Now remove the balloon and apply it to the bottle accordingly. Then keep the balloon in such a way that the baking soda falls in the vinegar. See, you can see the balloon blows. Why does it happen? It happens because the vinegar is an acid and baking soda is a base. When they two mix together, as their reaction, carbon dioxide is released and the balloon blows. As acid and base are the part of chemistry, blowing a balloon in such a way is called a blowing a balloon using chemistry. See, we did the same. Thank you.